Monday. Didn't get to see much of me last week. I was dump trucking the entire week. Friday we hauled topsoil all day. Today they didn't need us. I don't know if they got another truck or I don't know. Maybe they're just not hauling. But anyways, we have got a Mini loaded up, and we got a little dirt job to do here in the center where I live. So we're just pulling out of lighters here. Downspout drains, maybe, culvert, some grading work, just some fill-in stuff. Should be pretty easy. Yeah, we're gonna get down there and get unloaded and see what we're getting into. Okay, well this job's escalated quickly, as you can see. We've got a pretty good swell to let me get out of this wind. Whew. Let me get back in shape. We got a pretty good swell to put in around that building because the builder set it so low. So figured we might as well bring the dozer up there and hog most of it out with it, just to make it a little easier on the skid steer. So that's what we're going to do, and it's going to be quite a bit of work up there because somebody didn't set that up very well. I don't know who did it, but you'll see when we get to working on it. It's sitting down in the ground pretty good. We're gonna have to move quite a bit of dirt, so that's why we brought that. Well, we was gonna start on that swell, but we got sent after a couple loads of rock real quick. Dry, dusty, 1 inch down. We're gonna grab 15.5 tons. Getting that going. Whoops. A little better. How you like recycling culverts?
Yeah, they've been cut. Bolts have been cut off, so they're short and it's been a bit.
You're used to working with short bolt, ain't you?
Not really. Kind of struggling. If they're long, we can be fine.
You like it long? I like how you clean that dirt off. You guys need me to go get a load of rock or anything?
Yeah, why don't you go get the wrong rock?
I got a bunch of rock. I got him lined out this time. He shorted me the last time. Told him I was going to pull him out of that loader.
Hey, listen here, big boy. You ever been manhandled before?
You ever have sex with a man? You want to?
My
elbow hurts. Dad started on my swell while I was hauling rock, so I'm not going to bother him. I'm going to let him keep doing it. But a few things in his way, so we're going to go move them right quick. Nathan's backed on the pipe. We're one couple short. Brandon's, being Brandon. tree right there. Down through here, so what we got up there won't turn into a pond. Me and Brandon just got our pipe laser set up. We're gonna dig a ditch down through here. too bad. Definitely got fall away from the building. Definitely got fall down. Nathan's gonna slick it all up. Oh yeah. Man, I don't know. There'd be a hump right there. I can't believe I haven't got that out of there yet. I might have to get back on there. Driving me nuts. Keep digging and digging and it's still there. So maybe I'm digging in the wrong spot.
It looks better.
It's better. It's definitely better, and I think it's falling.
Yeah, I think it is too.
I think I'm gonna leave.
It looks like it from here.
I think I'm gonna leave it alone because I'm afraid I'm gonna end up
Might have
digging.
a little hole right there.
Shut up. That's still thin.
It looks like it's falling.
I'm gonna leave it alone. We'll know tonight.
Fix that.
I'll come out here tonight, 12-pack of beer, and watch water run down through here. I'll send you Snapchats. Snapchats of water running in and out of pipe. That's looking pretty good. You leaving?
I need to. I said, well, I gotta leave at least by 5.
Oh, what time is it?
Apparently there's a game in North Callaway or South Callaway. My parents are going.
4:37. Takes about 10 minutes to get back to New London.
About, so I might as well call that 15.
Oh boy. You are
You
something.
didn't say about 10 or about 15, did you?
Yeah. Now,
I didn't mess with it.
now he's taking all my credit here because I dug his ditch, and now he's over here
Yeah,
acting like he's doing it all.
Get Nathan in here and make it look good.
I should have dug that 80 inches wide. Nathan could have got right in the bottom of it too.
Yeah.
It'll look pretty good.
Yeah.
It'll look natural, kind of. As natural as a 5-foot wide flat bottom ditch can look. Mike's got that thing in top gear, don't he?
Fucking flying.
Floor it, Mike.
When they call for rain in the mornings.
Oh, it's tonight and in the morning.
Oh, I don't know.
You got a nice pile of topsoil here. I'll have to remember that.
Yeah.
Come out here and get me some of that.
I can do some of my house. I know you don't care.
He'd probably give it to you. Gotta pay me to haul it though.
No, I'll probably put it in my truck.
I would suck. I'd pay somebody hauling for it. Did that. I did that one time. Me
Yeah,
and
but I can drive the truck back to where I need it. I
Me
can
and-
shovel it out there.
Me and Enid did that one time.
How'd that work out?
Shoveled the load in the back of his pickup. He shoveled it out. I helped him shovel it in.
I mean, I want maybe a bucket back there. That's probably all. Full
Put
bucket.
this on earlier.
Eddie wanted to get that whole piece.
Hold on.
You gotta move it to me?
Yeah, a little bit.
Ready? Yeah.
There you go. Hurt my elbow. You know my elbow's hurt, right?
Hurt your elbow?
Yeah. Yeah.
Line up, does it? Is that where that's going?
Yeah, it looks beautiful. I don't know. I hope that's where I aim my pipe at. My pipe at.
What's that?
My pee up. Okay. We finally got that all in with a little bit of struggle bus. More? struggle bus, I mean that Brandon is on the struggle bus. I've got a sore elbow today. Brandon has been struggling. That's alright. We're going to get through it. We are going to get through it. We weren't even going to work today because of the rain that we got, but the wind is blowing 100 miles an hour and it's not that bad. Not too bad. It's going to dry up pretty nice for the rain tomorrow. Is on in here, boy. Anyways, yeah. This building was set a little too close to the ground, but we are making it happen now. We didn't do the dirt work. Or set the building. But we're fixing it. So we just got a little bit more. We're going to run a 6-inch excuse me. We're going to run a 6-inch trunk line, I guess you call it. And 4-inch gutter drains. And I think my calculations are correct. Probably get done today. Everything goes to plan. Which, you know, if you've ever watched the videos, everything always goes to plan here. Every day is perfect. Nathan's trimming that footing where it's sticking out there so we can get that gutter drain hooked up and these get covered. Wow.
How you doing? Retard strength?
That's why Angie likes him.
RS?
I gotta cut that out. I'm leaving it in there.
RS?
No, man, they heard what you said. Hey, if I was you, I'd be like Brandon. I'd point that T up the air and then hope you can spin it down later. Is that piece already cut the length?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I'm gonna get down there and act like I do.
Oh, you're gonna do something now? The camera's on, huh? Old Hollywood. Start calling you Hollywood.
Yeah. I'll start laying pipe when you start getting How about that? The emails every single day. I I just want curious on the, what did he say? The curious on the, people will be able to use that.
Yeah.
How the information is coming along.
Yeah, sure. No. Brandon ain't doing anything. Brandon, go get some more glue.
I got a swollen elbow.
I don't think I'm gonna have enough.
It's right here. Well, make sure if you want to spin it, I guess you can spin that one.
I know.
6 inch, you got to put a lot of glue.
And it's like under.
You ever done that?
Oh, I don't do all that.
We'll around glue if you do that.
Done.
They don't care.
8-inch fittings around it?
Run out of glue, I guess it's all day, huh?
I would go get more glue.
That's going to set up by the time we get that in
I'm
there.
shaving it. It's going every day.
That stuff over there is turtle white.
Is it? Good?
Yeah. Oh, that's a directional, isn't it? Arrow.
You can set that.
Arrow
Yeah,
goes
you
wrong.
can set it down now.
Oh, okay. I gotta be down here though. Brandon, you get down. You get down there through that piece.
How you getting down there and do it?
No, I'm the sliding guy.
You're a pointing finger guy?
Oh.
I don't think I need this long sleeve one anymore.
You get something that covers your face.
It's kind of like a mean, really.
Face is getting on my nerves.
Yeah.
It's just something about it. Kind of annoying.
You want me to move this back?
It's kind of using it right now.
Camera gets my good side.
Mm-hmm.
Just need help all the time.
Well, kind of crippled right now.
Brandon, I'm gonna be shooting you close to the bank on that.
At the baby level.
T wasn't in the right spot
Oh
apparently.
man, you got all kinds of places. Brandon up here.
Yeah, why didn't you put the T in the middle when you measured that piece?
You're the one that put the T.
You moved
You
it
told me where
around,
to
you
put it.
lined it up.
Put it right there. You guys probably. Brandon says, I make enough mistakes in one day. I did not do that one.
Me.
Did you get that other deal on camera?
No. No. I just.
He didn't want to show how bad, really bad, I do stuff. Just the
I think
mediocre
we'll be able to
shit.
scoop it.
I can push it that way a little
I think it's still.
You should have put that here.
bit. Just need to strap it to your head.
Just run
Non-stop.
Money. Money, money, money.
Yeah.
Money.
We need to go that way a little bit.
I don't know. I think
Looks like
I think you can handle getting that in there, Brandon.
Well, he can't
Probably
point
be
it the
pointed
wrong
up.
way. Think there's kind of a hump in this right here?
Probably.
Buried that meter, didn't
it looks like it's humped up on
they?
that
Buried
meter.
that meter.
too.
Push it.
That's a nice ride.
Put near enough glue.
I didn't. I bet she holds though. Right up on it. Good. 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 Good.
Good job.
Good job.
Dying. I'm gonna go get some gravel. Can't talk.
Leaving
Yep. Sorry, buddy. Rock quarry is packed, is what I heard. So I'll see you in a little bit. Got all them downspouts tied in. Nathan's finishing up putting a little bedding on. My dad's down there, got about 30 feet to dig. I'm gonna hop on this dozer and see if I can't make this look like something. Get ready for the rain tomorrow. pretty low on battery. Whoa. Ended up falling off of this thing. Jeez, that was entertaining. Well, that's where the gutters come from. And all the gutter drains are in, and Nathan's going to schmooze it. Nathan's gonna schmooze it all up, and we're out of here. Looks pretty good. Hopefully we get the water taken care of.